Sunday afternoon, October 20th, looking at the Astro Excel for the week ahead. We start out with the green line and the blue line heading upwards. Sunday evening into Monday, green line goes flat around 1300 Monday. Flatlining all the way into Tuesday afternoon at about 1300. Then it starts a move up and gets above the plus 10 line all the way into Wednesday, where it peaks out about 8 a.m. and then it dips down the rest of the day, Wednesday into Thursday morning around 6 a.m., where it bottoms out, and then it's up pretty strongly through Friday, where it gets up above the 20 line for the second time this week. The blue line, the key spikes come in on Monday here. Monday at about 9:30, 10 o'clock. And then we've got a big spike low at 1400 Monday. And then we've got one in the evening, late Monday at 2100. Tuesday, we've got this spike bottom at 5 a.m. Got a double spike to the upside, one at noon and one at 1800. Spike low on Wednesday morning, 2 a.m. Big push up to this high at 1800 on Wednesday. Big spike low around 1 a.m. on Thursday. The spike high comes in with our timing window at 1500 roughly. Another big spike down below the 20 line. Then on Friday, 2 a.m. for the last one of the week. Now I've also got the trend segments, the important trend segments for the week marked with red arrows, with the time of those segments right above them. And then we've also marked the two important timing windows on Thursday and Friday. So we've got three back-to-back bullish segments, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 8:36 to 11:32, 11:32 to 13:15. That coincides with the strong green line on Monday. Then in the flat period on the green line on Tuesday, we've got bullish segments from the Vedic charting at 6:36 to 9:58, then 9:58 to 11:22. On Wednesday, we're also moving up as the green line is peaking above the 20 line from 3:04 to 6:33 and 6:33 to 7:59. We've got bullish segments. The blue line is also in agreement with that, the Tuesday and Wednesday segments, but it's going against us on Monday. Then on Thursday, we've got a down segment from 4:08 to 5:36, which coincides with the green line bottoming. And then we've got the timing window here at 13:14 to 14:33 on Thursday. Then on Friday, we've got a timing window from 10:27 to 12:29. And then we've got a downward move in the trend segment here at 12:29 to 16:24. So a downward trend pressure from 12:30 to the close on Friday. So that's what we're looking at. That's the key timing for the week. Tomorrow I'll come back and make a video and show how the master planet will overlay, the master planet timing will overlay onto this chart.